Hey there, it's Matthew with Finsanto again. A car's battery, the magical box that houses the electricity needed to run your vehicle. Let's talk about them. Batteries, simply put, store and release electricity. Most car batteries have lead and acid in them that make this possible. We call these flooded or sealed lead-acid batteries. Another type of battery that is used is called an AGM, or absorbed glass mat battery. These AGM batteries are more robust and can handle the frequent start-stop conditions that are seen in modern cars, especially those with the feature that turns the engine off at stoplights. Modern batteries are made to be recycled. When they stop providing or storing power that they should be, they need to be replaced. Car batteries are sensitive to being drained. While your phone battery can be drained to 0% and charged fully without an issue, doing so to your car battery will hurt its lifespan. Your alternator will keep it charged while the engine is running. Some cars have multiple batteries. Looking at you, Mercedes. These auxiliary batteries are connected to circuits in the passenger cabin. Hybrid vehicles normally have a 12-volt battery that you're used to seeing and a much larger hybrid battery elsewhere in the vehicle. It takes special tools and skills to work on hybrid batteries as they put out a scary amount of power. We have those special tools and skills here at Finsanto. The starter draws a ton of power when it's used to start the car, and the battery in your car is often rated for starting the car specifically. We call this CCA, or cold cranking amps. To keep it simple, if the battery can't put out enough CCA, the car won't start. Sometimes we see a battery that puts out just barely enough CCA. We recommend replacing the battery when it gets to this point because self-healing batteries don't exist. That CCA number will only go down over time. Batteries can leak acid from time to time. A tiny amount of leakage can lead to corrosion, and cleaning can help with that. But if the battery casing cracks or breaks, then it's time for a replacement. What makes batteries fail? Time, of course, is the biggest killer of batteries. Over time, the battery will lose power it had when it was new. A full discharge of the battery will also drastically reduce its lifespan. The battery hold down keeps the battery still in the engine bay. If the hold down is loose or absent, it can cause the battery to fail prematurely. Temperature can also affect the lifespan of your battery. Very hot or very cold temperatures wear it down quicker. Batteries on average last 3 to 4 years. Sometimes they can last longer, sometimes they need to be replaced sooner. Battery testing is a straightforward process, so we test the battery during our inspection process. It's better to find a failing battery before it leaves you stranded, after all. That's why here at Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.